Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Today I have a good news. Yesterday I saw an article on the web talking about the night sight, the Google night sight. Shut up, Google. Sorry. Today I have a great news for you. If you own a LG V30 or LG G6 and G7, you can have night sights, the Google Pixel 3 night sight on this phone. So to test night sight, what we need to do is to close the lights. You have to understand what is the goal of night sight. It's not to take outdoor picture of the city or things like that. Yeah, it can help, but it's really to take like pitch black, very dark pictures that normally you can do it with a smartphone. So we'll try it. We will try to take into photo this blue microphone with only this LED light. So the night sight LG V30, you enter that into Google. Then you have an article explaining that it works on G6, V20, V30 and V35. You install the app. After that you get that new app, and then you get night sight. Take a picture, wait for it to flash, go there. So yeah, you get a pretty good picture with night sight. I think the big thing with Google is the fact that the HDR Plus is very good to reduce noise. Because right now, when I look at that picture, it looks pretty natural. I mean, it's not that bad, it's not that great. I'm not seeing in the dark, but I must admit, there is not too much noise. So this is so right now I will try to take the same picture using the normal GCAM app in HDR Plus mode. This is CSTARK 4.2. And now you see the picture looks not very good because it's too dark. Go in manual mode. In manual mode, fix. And now what you get is a fantastic picture where you see the mic, and really what I see is what I see in real life. So yeah, night sight works, but you can do a better job with the manual mode. So if you don't know what you're doing, you just want to take a very fast picture, I think that night sight is a very good addition. However, it's not magic. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you do. See you next time.